Welcome back for another episode. We're on the ferry right now, going over to North Stradbroke. Come and join us. Okay. No feeding dolphins.
See if we can find any dolphin.
Oh, look. Got you. Nah, gone. Wow, right next to me, a stingray. Pretty cool. I'm going for flathead as well. I saw a stingray. Hopefully we get to see some whales and dolphin. Someone just took our spot. I'm glad at least we found her before you had it all pitched up. Yeah. All good, mate. No worries. Massive storm is definitely on the way. You can see out here. Shark! How big was it? No!
Yep. Whoa! Whoa!
Alright, watch for the tip. Yep, look at the top. Oh, got it! Whoa! Yep, that's a fish. That's a fish. Ah! No bloody way! Look at that! He's very shy now, look, it's going away.
Now I don't want to go swimming anymore. They're not going to bite you, those sharks.
Close one, don't. He's coming to you now.
No, he's taking two off me, mate. He's just taking two off me.
Okay, last day of my fishing trip here at Amity Point. Beautiful weather now. There was a bit of rain, but it's all good now. Well, actually the last couple of days I have not caught anything. I'm just going to pick up my port. Already checked this once, and guess what's in it? Here you go. It's a Wobbegone Shark, and just sitting there. Not on the mouth, not on the mouth, on the front.
Why is the told you doesn't bite. That's so weird. Oh my god, this skin feels so weird.
I have to cut it.
Yeah, he's not releasing it now.
I don't know how to release him. He won't fit through.
Oh my god.
Can you tell me?
Yeah, I am. Be very free. Hi, Charlie.
Whoa! There he goes.
Bye-bye, Sharky.
Where's he gone? I'm going home now. See you later, people.
Okay, boy.
Here we go! Alright, that's it! No more! If you like the video, hit the subscribe button and share. It's Tim Wanderer. I'll see you out in the water. Bye.